What are you doing here?
Ma'am, we are playing and enjoying the snow.
Okay. Mohammed Saim, can you define snow?
Yes, ma'am. Snow is defined as the small soft and white particles of frozen water that fall from sky during the cold weather. Snow is also defined as the cold or solid precipitation in the form of variety of minute ice crystals at the temperature below 0 degrees Celsius. In case of the largest snowflakes at temperature near 0 degrees Celsius. I would like to define the snow with a beautiful quote that with every falling flake, the unique spark or the unique spark falls from the heaven.
Uruj, can you define snow?
Assalamu alaikum, it's me Arosh Khurshid. Yes, I can define snow. Snow is a type of precipitation that is formed in ice crystals. Ice crystals, white and fluffy, that falls from the sky.
Ariba, can you tell me how is snow formed?
Yes, ma'am. Snow is formed due to evaporation of water bodies like rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. Then the water vapor rises into the air and cools down. When it cools down, it forms the tiny droplets. These droplets freeze into the small ice crystals. These crystals grow large and fix together. When they grow large, then they bunch out to form their snowflakes. These snowflakes become too heavy to remain suspended in the air. Then they fall on the ground in the form of snow. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Ansa, come here. Tell me how is snow formed?
Snow is formed when the water vapor in the air freezes into ice crystals which stick together to form snowflakes. When these snowflakes become too heavy in the air, the snow falls to the ground covering surfaces with a layer of white frozen water.
Okay. Saiba, tell me how is snow formed?
How is snow formed? When the warm air rises into the cold surface, the warm air cools down and they form the crystals, ice crystals. When the ice crystals get too heavy, they form the snowflakes, and the snowflakes start to fall on the ground. The falling of the snow flakes, we set them as snow. The snow makes the layer that gets too deeper and deeper. That is the way how the snow is formed.
Okay. Hafsa, tell me how is snow formed?
Snow is formed when specific atmospheric conditions occur. Simplified explanation. Cold temperature. When the snow is formed, when the air temperature is around 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degree Fahrenheit. Moisture in the atmosphere. When the water vapor in the atmosphere cools and condenses around tiny particles like dust or pollens, forming ice crystals. Ice crystal growth. The ice crystals develop into snowflakes and form six-sided shapes. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay. Afreen, tell me how is snow formed?
Snow is formed due to the evaporation of lakes, ponds, rivers, water bodies like lakes, ponds, rivers, seas, oceans, etc. These water vapor go into the air and forms the tiny droplets. These tiny droplets come together and form a cloud. When these tiny droplets come together, they form into the transparent ice crystals. These ice crystals become very heavy and come into the form of snow to the ground. Thanks.
Muzana, tell me what are the benefits of the snow?
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Snow is a big blessing from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to our valley. Due to snow, our valley looks like heaven. Now let's know some benefits of snow. First benefit is water supply. When snow melts, it provides water to many areas where water is not possible. Provide water to lakes, rivers, ponds, etc. Second benefit is insulation. It protects soil and crops and work as a natural insulator during winter seasons. Third is ecosystem support. It adds wildlife to the animals during winter season. Fourth is it reflects sunlight and regulates the earth's temperature. Thank you.
Doha, tell me the benefits of snow.
Snow has many benefits like water supply. Snow melts into water to replenish rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. and groundwater. Snow, it keeps animals warm. Some animals like foxes, rabbits use snow for their shelter to keep themselves warm. It is used to make electricity. Snow melts into water and it replenishes rivers, lakes, etc. And then the power machines use the water for making electricity. It reduces stress levels. Snow reduces stress levels and it relaxing, etc. It helps to clean air when snow falls. It gets pollution, etc. and cleans the air.
Lutfana, tell me the benefits of snow.
Assalamu alaikum. The benefits of snow are as water storage. Snow melts slowly, providing a water supply. Agriculture supports. Snow insulates the crops and provide moisture. And climate cooling. Snow reflects the sunlight and regulates the temperature. Wildlife habits. Snowy region provides support to unique cold adapted species. Recreation. Snow enables the outdoor activities and winter supports job creations. The industries related to snow offer seasonal employment. Plant protection. Snow insulate the plants from extreme cold. Aesthetic beauty. Snow enhances the beauty of the landscapes. Thank you.
Okay, Ruwaida, tell me what are the benefits of the snow.
Assalamu alaikum. Snow helps us to regulate the exchange of the heat between the ground and the atmosphere. Snow provides us moisture to the plants in dry environments. Snow's high reflectivity helps us to cool down the planets. Snow reduces drafts by providing moisture. Snow can be beneficial for the people who have airborne allergies because pollutants are low. Snow provides water when it melts. Snow enables sports and outdoor activities. Snow can have positive effect on mood and well-being. Thanks.
Tell me what would happen if it will not snow in winter.
Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to tell you what would happen if it will not snow during winter. If it would not snow during winter, it could lead to the struggle of many problems such as impact on water supply or water supply shortages. Snow acts as a natural reservoir. When snow falls, it melts and provides water to the rivers, lakes, ponds and underground water. Without snow, it would lead to the shortage of water in summer and spring. Effects on agriculture. The areas that are dependent on snow for irrigation crops could lead to the struggle of water because there would be insufficient water without snow. Climate patterns. Lack of snow could increase the Earth's temperature. As we all know, snow reflects the sunlight. Due to the lack of snow, glaciers could continue to shrink. And economic effects of snow. Some snow-based industries such as skiing and snowboarding could face losses if it would not snow. Animals that rely on snow for camouflage such as polar bears and foxes could lead to the struggle of survival. Thanks.
Lena, tell me what would happen if it will not snow in winter.
Assalamu alaikum. It's me Alina Mushtaq.
Today I will tell you about what will happen if snow will not fall in winter season. It could lead forest fires. Dry environments are more flammable, which increases it increases the risk of forest fire.
Aid, can you tell me what would happen if it will not snow in winter?
Assalamu alaikum. There would be many consequences like water scarcity. As you know, snow acts as a natural reservoir of water that passes slowly throughout the spring and summers. But if there will be no snow, so there will be very less water in spring and summers. Hydropower generation. If the snow droughts will also mean lower hydropower generation. Another is landslides. Heavy rainfall will replace the snowfall and increase the chances of landslides, forest fires. If there will be no snow, so our environment will dry, and drier environment is more flammable and increase the chances of forest fires. This lack of snow can be bad news for shipping and power supply. Without this white reflective snow, the soil will heat up faster and will dry out. And the rain runs off the dry ground instead of reaping in it. There will be no snow supports, and due to the lack of snow, it reduces the stream flow and soil moisture, which have impacts on irrigation, water storage, vegetation, etc. Thank you.
Sneeba, tell me what would happen if it will not snow in winter?
Assalamu alaikum, myself Sneeba Sabzar, and today I'm going to tell you what would happen if it would not snow during winter. Many things would happen if it would not snow during winter, including without snow, the planets would warm faster and the soil would dry out more quickly. Without snow, glaciers would be negatively impacted as snow is crucial for their replenishment. Some animals that rely on snow for camouflaging or for hunting, they could face a lot of difficulties in adapting to a slowness environment. Some winter sports like skiing and snowboarding would become impossible without snow. A lack of snow could disrupt their ecosystem, people's growth, and animal migration patterns overall in biodiversity. Without snow, glaciers would shrink further in water supplies. Thanks.